Hello. Welcome to a modern office driven by the touchONE solution called touchONE-assist. This smart solution makes your everyday work life so much easier. It helps you reserve your desk in a flash and from the comfort of your mobile phone while collecting all the data. Its unique technology handles all the reservations for you. Through this easy-to-use platform, you can reserve workplaces, meeting rooms and resources such as parking places and many more. Are you deciding on whether to work from home or the office today? Would there even be a vacancy for you? You can easily look it up and reserve the desired workplace, parking space, meeting room or any other resource directly from your phone. You can then check all your reservations on a definite floor plan. Again, from your phone or from the exact same floor plan in the lobby. When you come to your workplace, you just simply scan a QR code, confirm your reservation and you are all set and ready to work. Are you sick, something got in your way or you will just simply not make it to the work? Our solution catches your absence and will automatically cancel your reservation. The touchONE compiles statistics, which help with building strategy on how to make the most out of the given workspace. Besides, it can assist with contact tracking. All said properties are available on any mobile phone, tablet or PC.